A very good morning to everyone. Welcome all. A very good morning to everyone. Welcome to everyone. Okay. Please lower your hands. If you have any query, you can ask. Before starting the class, I am taking query for 5 minutes. If you have any query, you can ask. Okay, Rudra Jaiswal. Yes, Rudra. What do you want to ask? Yes, Rudra. You have raised your hand. What do you want to ask?
Sir, I have not doubt.
Okay, so lower your hand, Rudra. Okay. Okay, Pallavi Gupta. What do you want to ask?
Sir, how many marks the paper will be consist?
Written 50 marks and oral 50 marks. Okay, and I have
Okay,
send you the pattern of the paper, syllabus and pattern in the same PDF.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Okay. Okay, ask.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, the numericals will be coming from only the density and all.
Density. There will be two numericals. Okay.
Yes, sir.
From the pressure topic and from the density. Okay, and you have to choose one of them. Means I have given an option. You have to do one of the numerical from the given two. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Nabya.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
So on page number 31 here is given for a density of a bottle. Rishi, can you tell me?
What happened? I can't hear you properly.
Sir, in page number 31, here is given that numerical problem. Sir, question 4, solution, can you tell me in briefly way?
Page number 31. A numerical problem. 4. Huh?
Yes, sir.
In which step you having a doubt?
Well, here is written mass of empty density bottle plus water is equals to 40.75 gram. From here I am having doubt.
From second line. Okay.
No,
see
sir,
here.
from third line.
Okay, see here. It is given mass of density bottle plus liquid. Means suppose this is the bottle. Okay, and this is the mass of liquid. Any liquid is filled. Here it is a water, but suppose other liquid, kerosene is filled with it. Okay, then it is given the mass of bottle plus liquid. Means this bottle, empty bottle plus liquid is 40.75 gram. Okay, and you have to find what mass of the liquid, and mass of bottle is given 20.75. See here. Bottle, and it is filled with some liquid, and in question you have given density bottle, means mass of empty bottle is 20.25 gram. Now it is filled with some liquid, and this mass is, after filling liquid, 40.75 gram.
Wow.
Okay, now you have to take out you have to calculate the mass of this liquid. How will you do? You will subtract this value and this value, means 40.75 minus 20.25, and here it will be 5002. It is the mass of liquid. So 20.5 gram. Okay, have you understand, Nabya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and other thing you want to ask, any other thing?
And no,
Yes.
sir, no, not having more doubt.
Okay. Anshika, what do you want to ask?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Anshika.
Sir, on page number 30, there is, did you know, second one. The whale can sink or rise at their will. They have a special organ called swim bladders. In order to decrease density, they fill the bladder with air and so can you explain this?
Okay, see here. You have studied the concept of flotation and sinking. Okay. When body will float, suppose this is a liquid and density of this liquid is dA. Okay. And suppose this is a body. Its density is dB. Okay. This is liquid dl. When body will float, if the density of this body will be less than the density of liquid, it will float. Means if dB is less than dl, then body will float. What happens in the case of whale? Whale has an organ called swim bladder. Okay. When whale wants to, this is water body, suppose sea. Okay. If whale want to sink, when sink goes down to water, what happens? It takes out all the air. Okay. It takes out all the air. So the density of whale becomes more than the water. So it sinks. And if it fills the air in its swim bladder, what happens? The density of whale becomes less than the density of water. So it can float on the water. Okay. Did you understand, Anshika?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Last, Pratik Mishra. After we will start the topic. Yes, Pratik. Yes, Pratik. Pratik. Okay. Is not responding. You ask Uma.
Morning, sir.
Yes, Uma. What do you want to ask?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Uma. What do you want to
Sir,
ask?
can you explain me convection current?
Convection current.
Convection current.
Okay. See, convection current. What happens? Suppose we are heating. No, now no more doubts. Okay, we will take at last. Or you can ask me after the class to my WhatsApp. Okay. Now we are running out of time, so no more doubts. We will take after the session. So suppose we are heating a liquid. What happens? Here is a source of heat, and here water gets heated. And we have studied when water or air gets heated, its density decreases. So after decreasing the density, the water goes upwards. Okay. We have studied if the density of something is less than the density of liquid, it will goes up, means it will float. So in this area, density of water becomes less, so it will goes up. Now the upper portion of water means having high density, it will takes this part, it will takes the part of this liquid, and after coming the upper part of the liquid, it also get heated, and this after heated it will goes upward, and this part will come downward, and this process is called convection current in liquid, or we can say in fluid. Okay. Okay, Pratik, what do you want to ask?
Sir, I want to ask that which type of question will come from model exam?
One line question and one sentence answer. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. If you have any further doubt, you can ask on my number. Okay. And now we are starting the next topic. And yes, one thing more. There are 3 units in theme 3. Only 2 units will become. Okay. 3.3 will not come. Okay, Pratik, lower your hand. So we will start pressure in liquids. We have already studied pressure in liquids. Okay, but some students having doubt, so I am taking this topic again, pressure in liquids. Now we will study pressure in liquids. Pressure in liquids depend upon 3 factors. Okay, see here, H, D, G. Now we will understand what is H, what is D, what is G. Okay. First you understand G. G is gravitation due to Earth or gravitational force. Okay. If the pressure directly proportional to means if the height is more, pressure will be more. If the density is more, pressure will be more. If the gravity is more, the pressure will be more. Now I am taking the first thing, gravity. Okay. Suppose pressure due to liquid on the earth is something. Okay. And if you take the same water liquid on moon, okay, what happens? The gravitation on moon is less than the earth. Gravitation on earth is G, or we can say 9.8 meter per second square, and on moon gravitation becomes 1/6 of the earth, so pressure will decrease. Okay, so pressure depends upon first factor we have studied, gravity. Means if the gravity decreases, pressure also decreases. Suppose something like this, pressure on earth is 36 pascal, and we take this liquid on moon. Okay, take this liquid on moon. What happens? Pressure become 1/6, means 36/6 equals to 6 pascal. Okay. So the first factor is pressure depend upon gravity. Now we are taking the second factor, density. Density. Suppose we are taking two test tubes which are open from both the end. Okay. Two test tube A and B. And we have fit a balloon, stretch balloon. Okay, here and here. First we have filled with water. After connecting to the balloon, we pour water in this test tube. The first will fill with water and second will fill with kerosene. Okay, so the density of water here, density of water is greater than the density of density of water is greater than the density of liquid. So what happens? The bulge of this balloon will be more and the bulge of this kerosene will be more. Means pressure in this test tube will be greater than pressure in this test tube. Okay. So we have studied if the density is more, what happens? The pressure will be more. Now the third, height, and we have to understand height more clearly. What happens? See here. I'm explaining with this bottle. Suppose, just a minute. Suppose I have opened this bottle from one end. Okay. Now it is filled with this water. If I make a hole on this point, okay, if I make a hole on this point near the bottom, if I make hole on this point, so we calculate height from here, this water level. So from here, this height is more and this height is more. From here, this height is more. So pressure will here will be more. If I make a hole on in this point, the water will close with higher pressure. And if I make a hole on this point, the pressure will be less, means water will flow out with less pressure. See here, what happens? Okay. Suppose it is filled with water. If I make a hole on this point, and if I make a hole on this point, so here pressure will be more, so the water flow will be more, and here like this. Okay, so pressure depend upon the height, or we can say depth of the water level. Means here from this point, suppose P1 pressure and this point P2 pressure. Okay, so at P1 pressure will be more because here height is more, depth is more. Okay. Now, and This pressure acts on the side of a container, means I have told you the water will flow like this on this point and water will flow like this on this point. And the pressure exerted on the side of container. This is the side of container. This is the side of a container, and this pressure is called lateral pressure. Okay, lateral pressure. Now, see here, next point. If this is a container filled with water, okay, what happens if we take a point on this here, here, and here? You can see it is the same level. So pressure all on the point A, point B, point C, point D, point E. Pressure at all the point will be same. So we can say liquid exerts same pressure in all directions at a given depth. Means this is a given depth and it exerts equal amount of pressure. If we take point here and at same level, if we take point here and here, suppose this is point P, this is point Q, and this is point R. It is the same level, so pressure will be same at point P, at point P, Q, at point R. So tell me, where pressure will be more, at point B or point R? Okay, who will tell me? I will ask. No one raise hand. I will ask. Yes, Anushka, 8D Anushka. What happens? She left the class. Okay, Manjeet, you tell. You have raised your hand. Manjeet, 8A. Where the pressure will be more, at point B or point
Sir,
R?
R.
Very good, Manjeet. Okay, you can lower your hand. Very good. Okay, we have got the answer. You can lower your hand. We have got the answer. Lower your hands. Now, pressure is independent upon cross-sectional area. Means it does not depend upon cross-sectional area. Suppose I am taking two types of container. Suppose this is one container and other is like this. And water is filled at same level. This is height and this is the height. Suppose this is 10 meter and this is also 10 meter. So pressure will be same at the bottom of this container. This is 10 meter. So here also the pressure will same and here also the pressure will same. If I take container like this, zigzag tube, and its height is 10 meter. So also pressure will be same at the depth of level. Means pressure here P, Q, R. So pressure at point P, Q, R will be same because water is filled at the same level, 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter. Okay. Now the next point, Pascal's law. Now before Pascal's law, we will study water seek their own level. Okay. Suppose this is a container. This is like a cylindrical shape. It's a tapered form at the top. This is up to here. This is a cylindrical shape, and I connect here. I make a hole and connect with a pipe to a conical shape. See here what I am saying. Suppose this is a cylindrical shape container. Okay, and I make a hole and connect to a conical shape container like this. Let me. If water is filled at this level, initially water is filled at this level. After connecting to this, what happens? Water will flows and goes here. Water will flow from this pipe and fill to this conical shape table, a conical shape container. What happens after some time? Level of liquid in both the container will become same. Level of liquid in both the container will become same. You can see a picture 3.15 on page number 45. On page number 45, figure 3.15. You can see liquids seek their own level, 3.15, and you can clearly understand. Okay, that water seek their own level after connecting to the different. And suppose I connect to other container, what happens? all the containers, level of liquid will become same. Okay, this is called liquid seek their own level. Now, Pascal's law. What does Pascal's law says? Suppose this is a closed container, okay, and we apply pressure from the top or something where. So, and if we make different holes at different here in this container, what happens after applying the pressure? Liquid will flow out. Liquid will flow out with same pressure. And one thing more. One thing more. Okay, see here. If this is a closed container and we apply pressure on this closed container, applying pressure, and we have make hole here, 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 here. So water will flow out from all the levels at same pressure. Okay, at same pressure. This is called Pascal's law. And direction of pressure to the container is at 90 degree. Means after means this liquid comes out from this container making 90 degree to the surface of the container, okay, at right angle. Now this is about Pascal's law. Now we will understand consequence of pressure in liquids. Consequence of pressure in liquid. First we have studied pressure at the depth of liquid. Pressure at the depth of liquid is maximum, okay, is more. You know about sea divers, okay? When sea divers goes into sea, okay, so they go to the very depth in sea level, very depth. So what happened? We have studied at the depth of the water level, pressure is maximum, very high, very high. So they wear a suit, a special suit. So they this special suit resists the pressure of liquid. Otherwise, if they don't wear the suit, if they don't wear the shoes, what happens if they goes down in water and here pressure is more very high? What happens? Their body will be crushed. Their body will be crushed. Means if they goes downward, their body will be crushed by this liquid pressure. Okay, and they can die. Now other thing, consequence of pressure. Suppose we are making a dam. What we design, base of the dam, means this base, lower portion of the dam is wide. Why wide? Because suppose liquid flows here, okay, and we know at the depth of the liquid pressure is maximum. So to bear this pressure of liquid, we make this dam base wide, okay, to resist this pressure. To resist this pressure, okay. Now the just on here, okay. Other consequences. Suppose this is sea level, okay, and there are so many aquatic animals live in sea. Suppose there is a fish, okay. The fish lives at the depth of the sea, at the depth of the sea. So blood of blood of this fish in its body flows at a very high pressure, because here pressure of liquid exerts here, and so its body is specially designed by the nature, by the God, so that it can resist the pressure. So blood flowing in its body resists the pressure of liquid. And what happens if we take out this fish at the top part, okay, at the top part, here the pressure will minimum, okay, compared to this point. Now what happens? Blood flowing in this fish is very high, What happens? Its body burst due to the pressure of blood. Its body burst and the fish die, okay. Okay, now we are going to, okay, I'm want to say something. I'm thinking to make a revision video for your test, okay, revision video for your test, and I will upload it on my YouTube, okay, and it will be bilingual. I will not share the link because I will make a video in bilingual, means both the languages. The video I share to your WhatsApp group is only English to English means explanation. I don't share any video which is bilingual. Okay, if you wish, means if you want, I make a video on revision video for your test. So you can comment or you can raise your hand. Okay, so many people. So I will not share the link. Okay, I will not share the link. If somebody have messaged me anytime, means you have asked me some doubt on my WhatsApp, you will get definitely share. You will get a link automatically. Okay, I have set the your classes like this. If you have messaged me personally for anything, you will get a link. Okay, so I will make a okay. No, Divyanshu, you want to ask something? You have raised your hand for so many
Hello,
times.
good morning, sir.
Good morning, Divyanshu. You want to ask something?
Sir, the theme 3, unit 3, pressure exerted by gas will not count.
Pressure, no, it will not come. Okay.
Sir, theme 3, unit 1 and unit 2 will come. No?
Yes, yes. Only unit 1 and unit 2 will come. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Okay. So I will, okay, just I want to ask something. Vaishnavi, tell me Vaishnavi, when is your physics test when is your physics test? Physics examination first term?
So physics examination, let me see 1 minute.
Okay, rest of you can lower your hand. I will make a revision video. Okay, don't worry. And I will design a revision video that if you see the revision video, you will get a good marks. Good marks what? You will get a 90% marks. 90 to 95% marks. I will make it in a 2-part. Maybe if the video length is long, so I will make it in a 2-part. Okay, Anshika, you know when is physics test?
Sir, on 6 August.
6th August, class 8. Okay, okay. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I have one doubt.
Ask what you have wanted.
Sir, on page number 30 only, why does an iron needle sink in water but not an iron ship?
Okay, okay, okay. I think you have studied in class 7. Okay, see here. You have studied the concept of, please mute everyone. You have studied the concept of flotation and sinking. Okay, this iron nail, the small one. Okay, if you calculate its density, it will comes out more than the water. More than the water means at a small amount it has a greater mass. In a small amount it is a greater mass. So its density is more than water. So it sinks. And ship is designed in such a way its density is less than the water. Its density is less than the water. That's why ship floats on water. Ship floats on water and iron nail sinks. Okay. If the density of ship becomes more than the water, then ship also sinks. If we load ship with a greater mass, means overload the ship, so density becomes high because density is equals to mass upon volume. Volume of the ship will be same. If we add more and more mass, what happens? The density will decrease and ship also sink in this water. But we does not overload the ship and it float on a water. Okay. Okay. Anyone? Anamika. Okay, Anamika.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, in page number 30, sir, note.
30. 30.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What you want to ask?
Sir, note.
No, the density of ice is less than the water. Okay, which is in an exceptional case. The density of ice, water, steam are respectively. What you want to ask? It is a value. It is the value of densities. Means it wants to say you, main thing you have to remember, the density of ice is less than the water. Means water and ice are same thing. Means if water freezes, it becomes ice, but density of ice is less than the water. Means if you put a ice on a water, it will float. Okay, and you have seen movie Titanic. Due to floating of this iceberg, Titanic crashes. Okay, so density of ice is less than the density of water. That's why ice floats on water. Okay. 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 Anyone else? So we can. Okay. What is your name? I can't spell out your name. Can you tell me your name?
Sir,
I can't. Nachiket.
Yes, sir. Nachiketa.
Okay. What do you want to ask, Nachiket?
So
Nachiketa.
how we will access the revision video?
How? Sorry. What do you want to ask?
How we will get the revision video? You won't
I will.
send it to the group.
I will upload on YouTube. You know my WhatsApp number. You know my number.
Yes, sir.
So I will. If you don't get, okay, just text me. I will send you the link. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It is an informal way. It is informal because I will upload in a bilingual.
Yes.
So it is a informal. So I will not share the link in WhatsApp. It's just for sake of your revision and preparation. I'm making this video. Okay.
Okay. So it will be on your channel, right?
Okay. Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any query? Vaishnavi, what do you want to ask, Vaishnavi?
Sir, I want to say that whenever you upload video, if we have subscribed your channel, then we get that notification.
Oh, so no, many of didn't subscribe the channel, so they will don't get the video notification.
Notification.
Okay, if
Means they can subscribe others.
oh yes, means I'm informing to everyone whoever joined, or you can share means with your classmates. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I will design a video in such a way you will get a 90 to 95% marks. Means it is of 50%, 50 marks. So 90% of 50 what? 45 marks. Okay. Okay. Lower your hand. Anyone wants to ask something? Okay. So let's move on. Next topic. We have a time 10 minutes. We will understand what is atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure. This is our Earth, okay, and it is surrounded by a layer of atmosphere, layer of air. Since you have studied the layer of atmosphere, there are I think five layers, okay, in your chemistry. So you have also know there is a air around the Earth's surface, and you have also studied air has mass. Air is a matter. Have you seen this experiment? Means balloon, and after we puncture the balloon, what happens? The inflated balloon means it is filled with air. It goes down. Means it shows air has mass. So air is surrounded to our Earth surface. So air has a mass. So air has a mass. So what happens if there air is a mass? It exerts pressure on Earth. It exerts pressure on Earth. Okay. And this pressure per unit area. We know pressure equals to force upon area. So air exerts force, and this force exerted per unit area on Earth's surface is known as atmospheric pressure. Means pressure exerted by air on Earth is known as atmospheric pressure. Now we will understand some concept. The value of atmospheric pressure is PA, means atmospheric pressure is 10 raised to the power 5 Newton meter square. Means it is very high. 10,000 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 lakh Newton per meter square. Means the value of atmospheric pressure is very high. So why don't we feel the pressure? Means why don't we feel the pressure? Means air is exerting a greater pressure on Earth, and we are living on Earth. Why don't we feel the pressure? So listen. Suppose there is a human being. Okay. So inside our body, there is always air filled in our body by our ears, by our mouth. Air goes inside our body, and inside our body, suppose this is a human body, and this is pressure exerted by atmosphere from outer side. and our body is also filled with the air, and it counterbalance the atmospheric pressure. It counterbalance the atmospheric pressure, and our blood is also our blood also flows at the pressure of atmospheric pressure, means equal to the atmospheric pressure. Suppose atmospheric pressure is 10 raised to the 5 Newton per meter square, and our blood also exerts exactly or slightly more than this value. Okay, so our blood does not our blood pressure of our blood counterbalance the atmospheric pressure. Now understand one thing. Understand one thing. Suppose you go on mountain, means higher altitude, from to the some height from the earth's surface. What happens if you goes on height? If you goes on height, the pressure decreases. Pressure decreases. Here pressure is minimum, means decreases. Now what happens? Our blood flows at pressure, higher pressure, means as compared to this, pressure of blood is high. Means suppose here pressure of our blood is 10 raised to the 5 Newton meter per square. Okay, this is the pressure of our blood, and this is same as the pressure of atmospheric pressure. But after going at some height, pressure of our blood is same, 10 raised to the power 5 Newton per meter square. But here pressure of atmospheric pressure decreases. It does not counterbalance the pressure of blood. So our so we bleed from our nose. Okay, we bleed from our nose because the pressure of our blood becomes very high, and it does not counterbalance by the atmospheric pressure. So we bleed from our nose. Okay. And one thing more. One thing more. See here. Suppose this is any object, and atmospheric pressure exerts here. So why this object does not crash? Object does not filled with any air. So see here, air is everywhere. Air is everywhere. So from here, air exert pressure. From here, air exert pressure. From here, exert pressure, and here also exert pressure here. So pressure from all the direction, what happens? Cancel down the effect of atmospheric pressure. So here we don't feel any atmospheric pressure on any object or on our body. And yes. Okay. Suppose an astronaut goes on space. Sukanya Mishra. Okay, what do you want to ask, Sukanya?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Sukanya.
Sir, what is the meaning of thrust?
Thrust is like a force, but thrust acts perpendicularly on the surface. Okay, thrust is a force act by a body perpendicularly on any surface. Perpendicular means at a right angle or at a 90-degree angle. Okay.
And sir, what is the SI unit of fluid thrust?
Fluid thrust. See, the unit of thrust is always Newton, because thrust is a kind of force. So SI unit of thrust is Newton. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So we will continue the next topic, measurement of atmospheric pressure and construction of simple barometer, in our next class, because we have not so much time, only 4 minutes remaining, and the topic takes more than 4 minutes. Okay, Divyanshu, what do you want to ask?
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, can you send all exercises, all questions and send me a merged PDF?
Merge PDF, I have already sent the merge PDF. Sorry, I didn't send the Apurva ma'am send you on a WhatsApp group. Okay, and if you want the PDF, you can text me personally. Okay, I will send you the same PDF. Okay. Okay, Tanisha. Tanisha.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, what is the pattern of oral?
Oral, I have told you now, one word answer and one sentence answer. Okay.
Up to how many questions can be asked?
50 marks, 50 question. Okay,
50 questions.
50 question. Yes, maybe pattern change, but for now it is that 50 question asked for the oral examination, and it was all of 1 marks, 1 line, and 1 sentence answer. Okay. Okay, anyone else want to ask something? Anyone else? If you have any query, you can ask. No query. Okay, I'm asking to someone, and it will be a part of your revision. Okay. Vandana Kumari, tell me what is sublimation. Vandana Kumari, tell me what is sublimation. Vandana Kumari, we have seen here. She's not responding. Okay. Anyone else? Okay. Alina Zafar. Yes, tell me what is sublimation.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
The solid changes in vapor state without passing liquid state.
Yes.
Directly changes into its vapor state.
I can't hear you properly. Your voice is breaking. Okay, but I understand you have. Tell me a right answer. Okay, Alina. Okay. Okay, tell me, Vaishnavi. You tell me what is condensation. Condensation.
The condensation means change of gaseous state into liquid state.
Change of gaseous state into liquid state. Okay, this is called condensation. And what is the boiling point of water? Vaishnavi, I'm asking to you, what is boiling point of water? Don't
The
know.
boiling point of water is the fixed temperature at which the liquid starts boiling and changes into gaseous state.
Okay, Akriti, you tell me what is boiling point of water? Akriti Goel, 8C. Akriti Goel.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Akriti.
The fixed temperature at which a pure liquid can change into a gaseous state, it is called a boiling point.
Okay, boiling point. And what is the temperature from which water changes into steam? At which temperature?
So 0 degrees Celsius.
0 degrees Celsius. Water changes into steam?
No, sir, 100 degree.
100 degrees. No, you are right. Okay, very good. Okay, Atul Kumar. Okay, tell me, Atul Kumar, what is which process is the reverse process of sublimation? Good morning, Atul. Which process is the reverse process of sublimation?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Which process is the reverse process of sublimation?
Reverse process.
Yes. Okay. Okay, you tell Alina Jafar. Deposition. Very good. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, Uma raised her hand. Okay, Uma, tell me, what is the empty space between the molecules is called? Means what we term the space between the molecules.
The intermolecular space.
Very good. Okay, very good. Okay, I think your time is over. Which is your next class? Okay, Vaishnavi, tell me which is your next class?
Sir, on Thursday itself.
No,
Now we don't have any class.
after this class, fourth period.
Sir, it is MSc.
Okay, MSc.
Moral science.
Okay, now MSc sir didn't come, so I will ask you something, and it will be a part of your revision. So many students have raised their hand. I didn't see. Okay, I will ask to whom who didn't raise their hand. Okay. Ananya 8A. Where is she? Ananya 8A. Okay, Ananya, tell me. Are you hearing? Ananya. What happened? Okay, Srishti Rai, you tell me.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the SI unit of density.
Uh, volume by mass by volume. Meter.
Okay. I think you have to revise. Okay. Don't worry. No problem. Tanisha, you want to tell? Yes, Tanisha. Ishan. Okay, 8D Ishan. 8D Ishan. Tell me what is the SI unit of density? Okay.
Hello.
I'm hearing.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Ishan. Tell me. You are wasting time. You didn't answer. Okay, Mansi Singh, 8A.
Sir, what is the question?
Yes,
Sir,
ma'am.
question. Hello.
Question I'm asking SI unit of density.
Hello.
Yes, SI unit of density. Okay, SI unit of density is kilogram per meter cube. Formula of density is mass upon volume, mass kg, volume meter cube. So kilogram meter cube is the SI unit of density. Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Network error. I think it's network error, so you can't hear me. Okay, let me ask you some other, right? Akriti Goel, did you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I think
The kilogram per cubic meter.
okay, you are right. The last question. Now, ma'am has come and she will be taking your class. Okay, thank you everyone. If you have any doubt regarding physics, any numerical, any question, you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. I have already given you WhatsApp number. Suppose in case you don't have my number, this is my number 9044920018. Okay. If you don't get a revision video, you can text me on this. If you want to ask something, you can text me on this. Okay. Only regarding physics. Okay. Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.